Hello, I'm Design Guy, ready to map out your adventures with cool animated travel routes in Canva? Click the Create button at the top of your screen, then choose Videos from the drop-down list to start a new video project easily. We're using landscape video format for our travel map presentation to ensure all locations fit clearly and look great on the screen. Click the Upload button. Next, select Upload Files to begin adding your travel map PNG. Locate the file on your computer, select it, and then click Open. The upload process will start automatically, preparing your travel map for use in your project. Select the desired map from the loading menu. Next, navigate to the Map Editing panel to begin customizing. Click on Add Element, then choose Map Pin from the available options. Place the map pin at your chosen location to mark a point of interest or highlight a specific area. Click the pin location icon to begin marking your desired spot. For this example, select the area you want to highlight. Move your cursor to the starting point on the map, then click to place your pin. This sets the exact location you want to use. Double check that the pin appears at the correct spot. If necessary, you can drag the pin to fine-tune its position. Once you're satisfied with the placement, proceed to the next step in your process to continue building your map. Click the arrow icon to open the menu. In the search bar that appears, type the name of the element you're looking for. For this example, enter McDonald's locks. As you start typing, matching results will appear below the search field. Locate the specific McDonald's locks element in the results list, then click on it to select it. This will highlight or open the element details. You can now review specific information or make changes as needed. If you need to find another element, simply repeat these steps. Use the arrow to access the menu, search by typing the element name, and select from the list of results that appears. Click the Duplicate button to create an exact copy of your item. This allows you to quickly replicate the current settings and contents. Use this feature if you want to make another version without changing the original. Your duplicate is now ready. Press Ctrl D to duplicate the selection. First, select the starting point by clicking at the beginning of the area you want to copy. Next, hold down the Shift key and click at the end of the selection to highlight it fully. Now that your desired range is highlighted, press Ctrl D on your keyboard. This duplicates your selected content immediately next to the original. If you want to duplicate the selection multiple times, keep pressing Ctrl D. Each press adds another copy in sequence. Watch as the duplicated content appears directly after the previous one. To duplicate a different section, repeat the process. Click at the new starting point, hold Shift, click at the new endpoint, and press Ctrl D as needed. Using Ctrl D and precise selection makes it fast and easy to copy and repeat content exactly where you need it. Start by selecting this line. Next, click on the Animate option. From the animation list, choose the Up animation to apply to the line. Now, select the second element you want to animate. Click on Add Animation, and this time, choose the Pop animation. This will be our second animated point. Once you've set up these animations, return to the connecting line. To make the interaction more engaging, apply a click animation to the line. Adjust the order of the animations in the animation panel to ensure the up animation happens first, followed by the pop, and finally, the click. Preview your animations to make sure everything transitions smoothly. Use the timeline to fine-tune their sequence and timing until the desired effect is achieved. Start by selecting the elements you want to animate. Go to the animation panel and choose your preferred animation effect. Once applied, update the color to white to match the desired style. Next, adjust the animation speed by reducing it to create a smoother transition. Test the animation by playing it back to ensure the timing feels right. If the animation is still too fast, increase the duration settings to slow it down further. Repeat this process until you are satisfied with both the appearance and pacing of the animation. This approach will help you achieve a clean, seamless animated effect for your project. Next, add the sample by dragging it into the timeline. Click to select the new clip, then press the play button to preview how it sounds in your project. Make sure the audio plays smoothly by listening carefully here. If you need to make adjustments, you can trim the clip or move it along the timeline until you're satisfied with the placement. You've learned how to make a cool travel map animation in Canva. Drop a like and hit subscribe for more creative tips.